Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself, Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So, guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you implement a language switching calendar in Anglo 18 application. So, friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say, please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So, guys, here we go. You see, here's my select option with multiple languages like English default, French and Spanish, and also you can see the date picker, the date calendar as well. Now it's English, so see you can see the text all in English like December and all these days. Now I will change the language to French. Language change and see guys, all the months and days see in French language. And now I will change it to Spanish. Change and see all are in Spanish as well. See friends, like months and days, Spanish. Back to English. Now English. We see it's work like charm. See friends. And guys, if you will have any kind of query, suggestion or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. Here is the contact and advice page. On this page, you will get my email, my Skype, and my WhatsApp ID as well. And guys, also, like always, I will share the code snippet link inside this video description. Guys, now I will show few part of my code. Like here's my languages file. All are in place inside app. Sorry, source assets. Like I have made my one folder named flat picker locals as well, and inside it I have added my JSON file like en.js JSON English. See guys, es.json and fr.json French. So you see, here's my app.com.html file. Let me show you. See guys, my HTML you can see here, and my functionality it is in component.ts file. See guys, all is here as well. And guys, don't worry about it. I will share the code snippet link as well. So friends, again I must say, please subscribe my channel and support me. And if you will have any kind of query, then subscribe my channel then also comment on it. So guys, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.